Got your Virgin Media QuickStart kit? Let's get it set up. First things first, make sure you've got all the correct kit. Your self-install pack should contain the Wi-Fi hub, a power supply, an isolator cable, an Ethernet cable, and a splitter if you're installing TV. If everything's there, your next task is to find the wall socket that will connect to the hub. It's usually near the TV, but it could be hiding somewhere else. It might look like this, or this, or this. It might not even say Virgin Media on it. It could say NTL or Telewest. These are all fine. If it says Sky or BT, you can't find it, or it's damaged, we'll need to get an engineer out to complete the installation. You can arrange this by booking an appointment in the My Virgin Media app or by giving us a call on 0345 454 1111. Wall socket located, take the red banded end of the isolator cable and push it firmly into the wall socket. If you're also installing a TV box, connect the black banded end of the isolator cable to the socket marked wall on the splitter. Next, take the blue or black banded end of the isolator cable and connect it to the socket at the back of your hub and push it firmly into place. Finally, connect the power cable to the back of the hub, then plug it into the wall socket and switch on the power on the hub and the wall. Now it's time to get online. The hub will establish a connection to our network. When the Wi-Fi light's on and the base lights are solid white, the hub's successfully connected to our network. Now it can take up to 30 minutes before your connection's stable. Now's a good time to check that all your cables are securely connected. Once the half hour's up, it's time to connect your devices to your new Wi-Fi network. It will be called something like VM123456. You can find out the precise name as well as the password on the base of your new hub and also on a removable card. And that's that. But if you're still having trouble connecting after following all of the steps, waiting 30 minutes for your hub to set up, and making sure the connections are secure, call us on 0800 953 9500 and we'll help get you back on track. For anything else, it's really easy to manage your account using the My Virgin Media app. Job's a good 'un. Welcome to Virgin Media.